Namaste. My name is Aditi and welcome to HomeYogi. Today, we will be practicing a cooling pranayama called Sitkari, also known as the hissing breath. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, HomeYogi. So, let's get started. Sitkari Pranayama or hissing breath. Get into a seated meditation posture, such as Sukhasana, easy cross-legged pose is fine. Close your eyes and do a few rounds of deep and even breathing. Rest both hands on the knees with a yoga mudra of your choice. Press your upper and lower teeth together. Separate your lips. Inhale through the gaps in your teeth. Focus on the hissing sound. Close your mouth and exhale through your nose. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Sitkari Pranayama is a cooling pranayama and best suited for warmer months of the year, and any time there's frustration, anger, or a Pitta dosha imbalance. Sitkari Pranayama is also recommended during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle as the basal body temperature rises, and such a cooling pranayama might be useful. Sitkari is derived from the Sanskrit word Shitkarin, which refers to the sound that is uttered while drawing the breath. The English name hissing breath is derived from the hissing sound that occurs during the inhalation stage of the pranayama. Do not attempt Sitkari after food. This pranayama should only be performed on an empty stomach, ideally in the early morning after elimination. Do not perform Sitkari Pranayama while lying down or performing other activities such as walking. People with heart problems and low blood pressure should avoid Sitkari Pranayama. Anyone with respiratory problems such as bronchitis or asthma should avoid Sitkari Pranayama. If you have sensitive gums or teeth or dentures, avoid Sitkari Pranayama. I hope you found this video helpful. We will see you next week on the mat. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Dhanyavad.